How to change or remove phone number on Spotify. In this video, let's find out if you can change or remove phone number on Spotify. The first thing you want to do is launch open the web browser, as you won't be able to do this on the Spotify app. Now make sure to log into your account. Once you have been logged in, you want to tap on this gear icon at the top right corner of your screen. Here you will find a bunch of options. The thing you want to do here is tap on the view account option. Now here on the account section, you have different options such as manage your subscription, edit personal info, and recover playlist. Go ahead and select the option of edit personal information. Now from here, you get to edit your personal information. So if you want to change your email, you can simply enter a different email over here. But as you can see, there's no option of phone number. That is because you're not able to change or remove the phone number on Spotify. If you want to change your number, then you will have to create a new account with a new number. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.